Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to view deleted Instagram photos. So the method I'm going to be showing you is just a really kind of basic, and it's to me it's the only way to get around the new the new methods implemented by Instagram. So of course, only if you really need it you can use this, and it's very basic and you've probably thought of it before, but I'm just gonna show it to you guys really quickly. So of course you're gonna message someone, and okay, so once you've got your messages or your camera setting open, you're just gonna open up your gallery and just select it. I've already selected it to view once, and I'm just gonna send this through. So basically what you're really gonna need for this method is you're gonna need two phones. So what you're basically gonna need to do is you're gonna open up your camera and play the photo. And you're just gonna take a picture of it. Yeah guys, that's basically the only method I can give you. You can, like, if you if you do try any third-party apps or anything like that, there's a good chance your account could be banned, so you got to think about that as well. But yeah guys, that's the only method I can show you guys. Yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.